Script for a 15-minute documentary. The History of Gold in the World. The Eternal Lure. A History of Gold. Opening scene. The allure of gold. Visuals. Glittering gold nuggets, ancient artifacts, golden jewelry, and modern bullion bars. Narrator, voiceover. Gold, a symbol of wealth, power, and immortality. For thousands of years, this lustrous metal has captivated humanity, shaping civilizations, economies, and cultures. But what is the story of gold? How did it become the ultimate treasure of the world? Segment 1. Gold in Ancient Times. Visuals. Egyptian pyramids, Sumerian artifacts, and Indian temples. Narrator. The story begins over 6,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia, where gold was first used to craft ornaments. But it was ancient Egypt that elevated gold to divine status. The pharaohs called it the flesh of the gods. The Great Pyramid of Giza was once crowned with a golden capstone, and Tutankhamun's golden mask remains one of the most iconic artifacts in history. Visuals shift to the Indus Valley Civilization and Chinese dynasties. Narrator. In India, gold became a symbol of purity and prosperity, deeply woven into religious rituals. Across the world, in ancient China, gold coins and artifacts were crafted to honor ancestors and deities. Segment 2. The Rise of Gold Coins. Visuals. Ancient coins from Lydia, Greece, and Rome. Narrator. It was in 600 BCE, in the Kingdom of Lydia, modern-day Turkey, that the first gold coins were minted, revolutionizing trade and commerce. The Greeks, followed by the Romans, adopted gold as a cornerstone of their economies, using it to fund empires and wars. Visuals of Roman soldiers and the collapse of the empire. Narrator. Yet, as empires rose and fell, gold remained constant. Its value never diminished even in the face of chaos. Segment 3. Gold and exploration. Visuals. Spanish galleons, Aztec and Inca treasures, and the California Gold Rush. Narrator. The age of exploration was driven, in part, by the lure of gold. When the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the Americas, they encountered civilizations like the Aztecs and Incas, who revered gold as sacred. This led to centuries of exploitation as European powers plundered immense quantities of gold, reshaping global economies. Visuals of mining during the California and Australian gold rushes. Narrator. In the 19th century, gold rushes in California, Australia, and South Africa brought fortune seekers from across the globe, fueling migration and innovation, but often at great environmental and human cost. Segment 4. Gold and modern economies. Visuals. Gold bars in vaults, stock markets, and the Bretton Woods Conference. Narrator. By the 20th century, gold had become the backbone of modern economies. The gold standard ensured global monetary stability, linking paper currencies to physical gold. However, with the collapse of the gold standard in 1971, gold's role shifted to being a hedge against inflation and a safe haven during economic crises. Segment 5. Gold in culture and technology. Visuals. Wedding rituals, gold jewelry, and gold in technology, e.g. circuitry. Narrator. Beyond its monetary value, gold continues to shine in our cultural and technological lives. From traditional wedding ornaments in India to cutting-edge electronics, gold remains indispensable. It's even used in space technology, shielding spacecraft from radiation. Segment 6. The future of gold. Visuals. Modern gold mining, recycling processes, and futuristic applications. Narrator. As we look to the future, gold faces both challenges and opportunities. Sustainable mining practices and recycling efforts aim to balance its demand with environmental concerns. Yet, its allure remains undiminished, a timeless symbol of humanity's endless quest for value.